good mood, but I don't want it to be at my expense.
It looks like him though. He's a hawk.
Oh.
It does look like him.
Oh, look at
Never go to the bird sanctuary with Flo?
that. It looks like Diamond Eyes.
Oh, it does. Wait, I never got to see one like up close.
Oh, he's pretty.
Casper.
In memory of Lester Lever.
Aww. Wait, are you reading their
There's
story?
another owl in there.
Yeah.
I was admitted to the hospital in 09 from Miami. He's old. 09? Can you?
Harris. Harris, come here.
He did unleash it.
Harris.
There's a spider right above your head, Sean.
Oh, I don't care.
Oh, wow. Because at the beach, they go far away from you. Oh! Oh! What are you getting, big buddy? Oh! Oh! You're like... You're a pretty girl, Bonnie. Oh, hey, Junior. There you are. Owls look like dogs. Oh, he's lived here since 2011?
Balls. Big boy.